Hello everyone, today I am going to introduce you with one of the greatest invention of mankind, and with this you can easily automate all your business activities, and it is nothing but an AI agent and which you can create with just a knowledge base and a subscription of Pabbly Chatflow. And I am going to show you how you can create this amazing AI agent with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. But before that, let me show you how this AI agent will work for me. So you can see this is my WhatsApp account, and in here to activate this WhatsApp AI agent, I just have to send this text, I need help. And when I will send this particular text, you will see that this AI agent will get activated instantly. And here it has sent me this message, I am here to help, what do you need assistance with? And as I have created this particular AI agent for my retail apparel store, so for that I will ask questions about my retail apparel store from this AI agent. So when I will ask this particular question to my AI agent, where is your store in Bhopal? You will see that instantly this AI agent will reply me. And here it has sent me this particular text, our store is located in Bhopal main market. And now I will ask one more question, tell me about the grey hooded sweatshirt. And when I will send this message, you will see, and instantly I have received this reply, here are the details of the grey hooded sweatshirt, and inside this message all the details about this particular sweatshirt are given to me. Now for you I will ask one more question, what is the price of blue denim jacket? And I will send this message, you will see that instantly this AI agent will reply me with all the details about this particular jacket. And you can see the jacket is priced at 2,499. This means that this AI agent is working properly, and now whatever question I will ask this particular agent about my apparel store, then this particular agent will reply me instantly with the answers. So this is the amazing WhatsApp AI agent that I have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And now I will show you how you can also create such an amazing WhatsApp chatbot. And for that you just have to go on a new tab and enter pabbly.com/chatflow, and after clicking on enter button you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And in here on the right side you can see you have got these two different options, sign in and sign up free. So if you are creating your account for the first time, then you can click on this sign up free, and from here you can create your free account. And for your information, let me tell you that Pabbly Chatflow gives every new user 100 free credits to create such amazing AI agents. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click on this sign in button. But before this, let me share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. So Pabbly has this amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 subscribers, where individuals share their ideas and ask questions from our experts. And here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video, so you can go and join our community from there. And now I will go back in this page, and here as I am an existing user, so I will click on this sign in button. After that I will get directed on this all apps page of Pabbly, and here Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today as we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow, so I will click on this access now button, and then I will get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So the first thing that you have to do when you are inside this dashboard is you have to add your WhatsApp number, and by clicking on this add WhatsApp number button you can select any of these two different methods, WhatsApp connect method or manual token connect method, to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And on the left side here you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these features, or if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that we will add link of separate videos explaining exactly that in the description box of this video, so you can go and check out those videos from there. And now as I want to create an AI assistant for myself, so for that you can see on the left side here this AI assistant feature is given to us. So I will click on this AI assistant, and then I have to click on this add AI assistant button to create an AI assistant for myself. But before starting to create a new AI assistant, first of all I will deactivate this existing AI agent that I have created for my apparel store, and now it is inactive. So I will click on this add AI assistant button to create a new AI assistant for myself. But before that I will give a meaningful name to my AI assistant, AI agent for apparel store, and then I will click on this add AI assistant button. And after that I will land on this particular page where I have to work on these 4 simple steps: AI instruction, knowledge source, assistant interface, and this styling to successfully create an AI agent for myself. So first of all, we will work on AI instruction, and inside this AI instructions, for this instruction type, when I will click on this drop down, I will select this particular type AI agent because I want to create an AI agent for myself. And in this instructions, you can write the instructions like role and constraints which you want to provide to your AI agent. And these instructions include the key informations like audience, purpose, and style to customize the assistant. So if you want to add some more details in this particular instructions, you can just type them down manually. But as I do not want to add anything inside these instructions, so I will let it remain as it is. And then for this temperature, you can see this temperature decides how creative the AI's answers are. 0 means more focused, 1 means more creative. So you can see 0.5 has been set automatically inside this temperature. So if you want to increase or decrease this, you can use these two buttons to increase it or decrease it, but I will let it remain set at 0.5. And then for this select AI to use, I will select this open AI as I want to use this particular AI. And then for this model, I will select this particular model GPT-4o mini, but you can select any other model if you want to. So I will select this particular model, and then inside this API key, you have to enter your API key for authentication. And to get this API key, first of all, you have to click on this hyperlink given here, and then you have to log in. So I will log in to my AI account, and then I have to click on this create new secret key. So here I will give a name to my secret key as this, and then I will click on this create secret key, and you will see that this secret key has been generated successfully. So I just have to copy this secret key from here, and I have to paste it in here like this, and then I have to click on this connect button, and with this my OpenAI key is saved successfully. Now you can see for this AI assistant setting, we have these 5 different buttons: header message, footer message, stop keywords, retry attempt, and fallback message. So if you want to use any one of these, you can just click on this button and you can enter the text inside this particular box. So let's suppose if I want to use the header, so I will just turn on this button and I will enter the header inside this particular box like this, and here I have successfully entered the header. And just like this, if I want to enter the footer, I will turn on the footer and I will enter the footer inside this particular box. And if I want to enter the stop keyword, and this stop keyword are like the word by entering which my user can stop this AI assistant and they can directly talk to a human. So if you want to enter a stop keyword, then you just have to enter that particular keyword and then press this enter button to successfully add this keyword. And for this retry attempt, you can add as many attempts you want for your customer. And then for this fallback message, you can see this particular message has been entered inside this box, and this message will display when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. So if you want to use any one of them, then you can simply let them turn on, but as I do not want to use them, so I will simply turn them off. And now we will move towards my knowledge source. So you can see in here we have to upload a file which will be the knowledge unique to your business. Like in this particular knowledge source, I have to write down all the details about my apparel business, so that whenever my user will ask any question about my store, then this knowledge source is the thing which your chatbot can utilize when answering those questions. So our knowledge source must be less than 90 MB, and the accepted formats are .txt or .pdf format. So you can see inside my Google Docs account, I have prepared this knowledge source for my AI assistant, and in here I have provided all the details about my business. Now to download this particular AI assistant, I will click on this file, and then from this download, I can download this particular document in whatever format I wish. So I will download it in this .txt format, and then I have to give a name to this, and I have to click on this save button, and here this knowledge source has been downloaded successfully. So now I will go back to my Pabbly Chatflow, and there I will drag this knowledge source from here and I will drop it in here, and here you will see that my knowledge source has been attached successfully. Now we will move towards this assistant's interface, and you can see inside this display heading name, you can enter the name of your brand. So I will enter the name of my company, this Pabbly. And for this header display subheading name, you can see this we are online and happy to assist you is already entered. So you can see this is how this subheading will look. And you can see this initial messages is written as this: hi there, how can I help you today? And if you want, you can add one more message inside this particular box like this: hello, and then you have to click on this enter button, and here this message is added successfully. And here you can see this powered by Pabbly is written here, so you can either disable it or enable it from this particular drop down. And you can see this privacy policy. This is actually a hyperlink, and you can create this hyperlink by typing down the text inside this particular footer text box and pasting the link inside this footer link box. And you can see for this user's first message, this I need help has been written here. You can see this is the exact same message that I have sent here in my WhatsApp account to trigger my AI agent. So if you want to change this message, then you can also change it. So with this, we will move towards my final step. This is styling. And in here, I can style my AI assistant. Like I can choose the theme as light or dark. I can choose the shape of my assistant as circle, square, or rounded square. I can change the background color or any of these things if I want to, but as I do not want to change them, so I will let them remain as it is. And then as we have successfully completed the creation of this AI agent, so now I will turn on this AI agent, and then I will click on this save AI assistant button, and here our AI assistant is saved successfully. Now if you want to use this AI assistant from your website, then you just have to click on this embed button, and you have to copy this script from here, and then you have to paste it inside your website, and then this AI agent will work from your website. And now after I have completed this AI assistant, so I will open this inbox, and in here I will assign this AI assistant to this particular chat. And for that I just have to click on this button here, and then from this drop down I have to select the AI assistant that I have created. And after that, when I will click on this save button, then this AI assistant is enabled successfully for this particular chat. So right now I have enabled this particular AI assistant for this particular number, but if you want to assign this AI assistant to bulk of your contacts, then for that you have to click on this settings, and from here you have to select this inbox settings, and inside this particular inbox settings you have to scroll down to the bottom, and then you have to click on this enable AI auto replies. And then from this contact list drop down, you have to select the contact list for which you want to enable this particular AI assistant, or if you want to enable this for all of your contacts, then you just have to click on this all contacts, and then from this right side drop down you have to select the particular AI assistant which you want to enable for this particular contact list. So I will select this particular AI assistant, and then I will click on this save button, and with this AI assistant is now enabled for all of the contacts saved into this particular contact list. So now I will go back on my WhatsApp account, and there we will check again this AI agent if this is working or not. So you can see this is my WhatsApp account, and here I will send this particular message, I need help, to kickstart this particular WhatsApp AI agent. And after this, my AI agent will instantly reply me with this welcome message, of course I am here to help, what do you need assistance with? Now I will ask some more questions from this AI assistant. Like, this is the classic white cotton shirt available in XXL, and I will send this message, then this AI agent will reply me instantly with this, yes, the classic white cotton shirt is available in XL, and it is also asking me, would you like me to add it to your cart? And you can see whatever question I will ask to this WhatsApp AI agent, it will reply me instantly with the help of this knowledge base. So now I have successfully demonstrated how you can create this amazing AI agent with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you liked this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel. And for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create various WhatsApp chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit us at this website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.